What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and the newest meme coins in the degen space, in the crypto space, on the Ethereum network. Now, before we get into the video, I gotta let you guys know I am not a financial advisor. Before you invest your money in any crypto project, be sure to do your own research. Remember, crypto projects, especially in the degen space, are very volatile and very risky, so never invest more than you're willing to lose. And also, to support the channel, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment down below what projects you'd like me to check out on the channel next. As you guys can see, I have DEX tools pulled up, daily routine, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go through the top 10 hottest pairs on DEX tools right now. We got number 1 Bone, 2 Tama. We're gonna be making a video on Tama in this video. Gen Block, Dequant, eHive, Hex, GLDN, CSI, Sec, Dosa. So yeah, let's just go right to it, man. Tama. Now, there was a Tama pre-sale, and if you got into the Tama pre-sale, you are chillaxing. You see, I think it pumped a whole lot, huge green candle, and then retrace because of the pre-sale launch. But if you caught this dip right here after the pre-sale, and it just, you know, flatline, it was chillaxing, then it started to make a move up. You are up 8x if you caught this, you know, this retrace after the pre-sale pump. This is why it's good if you don't catch the pre-sale of the project. You could always wait till the hype dies down. You see the chart kind of like chillaxing, you know what I'm saying? Then you ape in, and then you never know, you get your hands on an 8x. So with Tama, guys, we have 3.5 million in liquidity, 90 million in trade volume, 176 million market cap, 26k holders. This is what you call a super successful launch for a project, okay? 99 out of 99 DEX tool score. Normally when projects do a pre-sale, they have the huge launch, they retrace, they come back down, then they just, you know, go sideways. You never know if the project will make a comeback. This time around, oh yeah, the Tama team, the community, they put in that work for Tama. They have CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko listed. The total supply of Tama is 1 billion Tama. So for it to get to $1, it has to go to 1 billion in market cap, which by the looks of it, it's already at 175 million. Okay, that's just like less than a 10x from here. That is very doable for this project because it is so strong in this bear market. It's crazy to see, like, it's insane to see, guys. Okay, guys, so we got the website pulled up. Ultra rare Tamadoge NFTs are coming. So okay, so they're launching NFTs in about 2 days. Alright, our collection of 100 ultra rare Tamadoge NFTs give your perfect pet more speed and agility compared to other collections. And these are the Tamadoge NFTs on the right. Okay, token. The Tamadoge token is the native token of the Tamaverse. Okay, so it's a metaverse project. You'll be able to use it to play Tamadoge games, earn rewards, and buy special items. Oh, they got a pop-up. Did you know, win 100k worth of Tamadoge? That's right, we're giving away 100k worth of Tamadoge. Okay, I might just enter that. Earn rewards and buy special items from the Tamadoge pet store. Buy Tama here. Okay, we also have an arcade and a Tamaverse coming soon. We've got big plans for the Tamadoge arcade, starting with the initial release, Enter the Tamaverse. Find out more about our first game here. Our team of top doges are busy at work forming partnerships and building our native metaverse. We'll keep you up to speed on our blog and socials. Featured in different top sites: Yahoo Finance, Bazinga, Market Watch. Okay, the newest doge on the block. I like that. Tamadoge is coming out the gate barking, becoming one of the biggest hype meme coins of all time, and pushing the boundaries of the play to earn space in order to provide a game that people will be climbing over each other to use. Okay, guys, I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. I like the design of the website, the dog right here, tongue swaying in the wind and tail wagging. It's a play to earn project with a metaverse and an arcade in the works, which is good to see. They have some partners here, which is nice. Transact, OKX, Fireblocks, Launchpad. Okay. and I'm guessing this is the update on everything that they've been doing so far. Shout outs to the team on this one. They are definitely putting in the work. You can see it's very well put together. The website is clear and to the point with a different design to it as well. Okay, let's check out the Tamadoge official Twitter next, and then we'll see what the social engagement is like for other people that talk about the project on Twitter as well. Tamadoge, welcome to the Tamaverse, a deflationary meme coin with utility. Join the Tamadoge army. Okay, 74.9k followers. Buy Tama now on OKX. Okay, that's why they had that partnership. Big exchange listing, super quick. Tamadoge is right up there with Cult DAO, Forta. Okay, I gotta hand it to them, guys. Their graphics are super memeable. Remember, these are meme projects, so the project gains popularity the more memeable it is. You know what I'm saying? The more people can spread it around, share it. The community puts in that work. Let's see the hashtag Tamadoge army, what people are saying about the project. Super big Twitter account, Teo, 109k followers. Join the Tamadoge army now, the next meme coin that is taking over the crypto space. Love this chart, Tamadoge army, Tamadoge, not financial advice. Crazy chart, guys. Yo, shout out to all the Tamadoge army. You guys are crushing it with this one, man. Fibonacci here, 19k followers. Tamadoge will hit 1 bill market cap this year. Remember this post, I'm well invested. I wouldn't be shocked. The amount of hype surrounding the project, the amount of trade volume, the market cap, it's super close to $1 billion. It's at 168 mil market cap right now. It could get there. It definitely could get there. I wouldn't be shocked it does it. Hashtag Tamadoge army. Tama is now number 3 in volume among meme coins, just behind Doge and Shiba. Spread the good news, like, retweet, tag your friends, and don't forget to buy more Tama. Tama is definitely making waves in the meme coin space, guys. Like, look at this, top meme coins by market cap. It's right up there with Baby Doge, and it's so brand new. You know what I'm saying? Imagine like when the bull market comes back, just how far the project could go. I wouldn't be shocked it like blows, you know, everyone's minds how much, you know, how well the project does. 57,000, almost 58,000 members in the Telegram group. From the pinned, I'm seeing that they have a Mexi listing coming up on the 5th, tomorrow. And the hype in the Telegram is right there, guys. Bobby Bybot, oh, he got his little wagon. Oh, grabbing all them Tamas. Gotta get them Tamas. Collected. And then it's right back to bed. Oh man, yeah, I like what I see here. I like what I see here, guys. A lot of hype in the Telegram. Will a real Tamadoge please stand up? Memes, the memeability. All in all, guys, from what I can see, the Tamadoge army is very strong. It's looking like a great project. Let me know your thoughts of it down in the comment section. If you're part of the Tamadoge army, I'd really appreciate if you guys could give some support to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll definitely keep tabs on the project to see where it goes from here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.